let me start with a little corporate world secret. If you want to increase your salary quickly, the easiest way to do this, whether you're a data analyst or working in a field completely non-related to data, is to switch jobs and companies frequently, say every 18 to 24 months. Now, I'm not saying that you should be constantly on the move and on the lookout for the next opportunity, but there's nothing wrong with being ambitious, right? I know for a fact that if you get a job as an external candidate, you can pretty much negotiate whatever salary you'd like, within reason, of course. Whereas if you move internally, at most companies, you're bound by the internal pay structure restrictions and regulations. Of course, there's nothing wrong with staying with the same company for a long time, as at the end of the day, money really isn't everything, especially once you have enough of it to live the life you want to. I find that the higher your salary is, the less joy an extra dollar will bring you, and there may even come a point where an extra dollar would actually bring you less joy. But wait a second. You must be thinking, what is Mo on about? More pay and less happiness? Yes, you heard me right. I don't believe that there is such a thing as a free lunch in this world. You get paid a lot of money, and in return, you must sacrifice a lot, take on many responsibilities, and soak in the pressure. You're essentially just exchanging more of your time for more money. When I see people with $100,000 or $300,000 salaries, I don't think about the money, the nice cars, the big house, or the fancy things you could buy. I think about the hard work, the sacrifices they had to make, the willingness and the countless hours to get to that point. Being smart is good and all, but hard work, sacrifice, putting in the time and effort consistently is what will get you far and well ahead of others. Sometimes it's as simple as who wants it more. And I don't mean this in a way that you should step over people to get to your destination. I mean this in a way that it's okay to be ambitious. It's okay to look for new opportunities outside of your current role, for opportunities that come with better pay, more complex tasks, and responsibilities. Stepping outside of your comfort zone and challenging yourself to fulfill your potential is absolutely okay. I think lots of people confuse ambition with arrogance or overconfidence. All I'm saying here is that if you want to climb those corporate ladders fast and make money fast, you definitely need ambition, hard work, and the willingness to sacrifice. Of course, to achieve your ambitions and get that six-figure data salary, you'll need to acquire the right skills. And by skills, I mean more tangible skills like technical skills, math, and statistics here. It's easier to measure the progress for these and prove that you actually know what you claim you know. Now, if you're after a complete course where you can learn all of the essential data analyst skills needed, then the data analytics course from Course Careers could be the one for you. The course is for people with all kinds of backgrounds, whether you're looking for a college alternative or you're looking to make a career change. You can actually take a free introductory course to find out what working in data analytics is like and whether it'd be a good fit for you before committing to spending your time and your hard-earned money on the entire course. I would highlight that Course Careers and I partnered on this video. Just check out their Trustpilot ratings. They're good, really good. So, if you want to go ahead and try the introductory data analytics course for free, just use the link in the description below. So, back to math and statistics. Having a strong foundation in these is a great start. From hypothesis testing to regression analysis, statistical methods enable you to draw meaningful conclusions from datasets, ensuring that decisions are based on sound evidence rather than intuition or guesswork. Combined with your solid math and statistics knowledge, you'll also need to be proficient with various data analysis tools so that you can actually apply what you know in theory. I'd always recommend starting with spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. While they may seem like basic software applications, once you learn and explore them, you'll quickly realize that they have extensive functionalities that can significantly enhance your analytical skills. Which spreadsheet tool you want to learn is completely up to you, obviously, but if you're asking which one I would recommend, it's definitely Microsoft Excel. Why? Because it is just so much more powerful and popular, in the corporate world than Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet tool. Whichever tool you learn though, the main goal will always be the same: to manipulate data effortlessly. Long story short, Excel is really powerful if you know how to use it, and it's a must, in my opinion, to get to at least a pretty advanced level at using it. But Excel certainly shouldn't be the only thing in your data analysis toolbox. Learning other tools like SQL, Python, or R can open up a whole world of possibilities for advanced data analysis, manipulation, and visualization. I know learning coding languages might sound intimidating at first, but honestly, with AI tools on the rise, you could easily supplement your learning just by prompting and asking the right questions from ChatGPT. Learning to code is definitely much easier now compared to when I started my career well over half a decade ago. I have an entire portfolio project playlist covering various technical skills like Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Python, and I also created a completely free data portfolio guide that you can use to build your dream data portfolio that you can then showcase to recruiters and hiring managers to get you closer to your next data analytics role. My data portfolio guide contains 80 tips across 8 detailed stages to help you make your data portfolio stand out from the crowd. There's over 30 links to resources that you can utilize, and you would of course get lifetime access to my data portfolio guide with continuous updates. The world of data moves fast, and so will my data portfolio guide with it. I'll put the link in the description below for my portfolio project playlist and my data portfolio guide. Make sure to check them out if you want to create a professional data portfolio. So, to quickly run through what coding languages you should learn. Start with SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a powerful tool for extracting, querying, and manipulating data stored in databases, and it is a skill that pretty much all data analyst positions look for, so please spend the time to learn it well. I have an entire free SQL database tutorial, and I'll put the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out after you finished watching this video. Now, when it comes to programming languages, Python and R are probably the two most popular programming languages when it comes to data analysis, thanks to their versatility and extensive libraries tailored for statistical analysis and machine learning. And last but not least, I really just want to highlight how important it is to network and build strong, genuine, and long-lasting relationships if you truly want to succeed in the corporate life. Networking is such a crucial component of building a successful career in any industry, and data analytics is no exception. Please do not underestimate the power of creating meaningful connections with other colleagues, industry experts, and potential mentors. And speaking of mentorships, you can easily book a session with me on my website. We would deep dive into your experience, skills, strengths, and areas for improvement to create your personalized pathway that will help you master the skills needed to successfully navigate the world of data analytics. Have a look if you're interested. The link is in the description below. By contributing insightful comments, seeking advice, and offering help to others, you can establish yourself as a knowledgeable and respected member of the data community, which could absolutely grab the attention of potential employers. You can also use the power of social media platforms like LinkedIn to improve your visibility and create your own unique brand. I actually already made a video on how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile to get a data analyst job, or any job per se. LinkedIn is great because it offers such a vast ecosystem of opportunities to connect with others who share your interests and aspirations in the world of data. By creating a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experiences, and career goals, you're actively building your professional branding. Get out of your comfort zone and share your own data insights, comment on posts, and participate in industry groups and discussions. Don't be afraid to reach out to professionals whose work you admire or who are employed at the companies you wish to work for. Don't be afraid to send personalized connection requests and initiate conversations that can lead to valuable mentorship opportunities, job referrals, or collaborative projects. Networking is tiring, but it is honestly such a powerful tool for advancing your career in data analytics. It can enable you to establish meaningful connections, access valuable resources, and unlock new opportunities for growth and advancement. By actively engaging with online communities and leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn, you can create a strong professional network that can support you throughout your entire data career. And please remember this: always approach networking with authenticity, generosity, and a genuine desire to learn from others, rather than cheap, "Hi, can you give me a job?" And that's everything from me for now. Thanks so much for taking a little time out of your day to watch this, and I shall see you in the next one.